Connect friends. I've really been enjoying one of the features that Weight Watchers has on their site. It's a recipe section called Summer Sides. So today I made the lemon, mint, fennel, and apple slaw. Just imagine all of those flavors together. Now, I know that some of you are a no oil cook like me, so I've reworked the recipe. I've brought it down to 0 points. The original recipe makes 8 servings at 2 points each. Mine still makes 8 servings, or else one great big bowl, for 0 points. The original recipe calls for 2.5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. I eliminated that and I added the same amount, but of soya yogurt. I also removed the 2 teaspoons of sugar, and I just sliced up another apple to go in it. There are so many ways that you can convert a recipe to have no oil or to have less points, and yogurt really does the trick in many cases. So this is what it looks like. I slice it all up with my mandolin. I just wanted to share this with you. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.